How to create a vision board that actually works. I've written down 3 things that you need to follow if you want to create a vision board that actually works. The very first step that you need to take into consideration is you have to be very clear on your goals. What do I mean by that? You have to be very clear on what do you want. So if you don't know what you want, I want you to take a look at things that you like to do, things that you want to do, things that you want to have in your life, and things that will be kind of would make your life better. So write on all those things and take into consideration, and that's the first step that you need to take into mind when thinking of creating a vision board. And the second step that you need to take into consideration is you need to find pictures, you need to find images, you need to find words that symbolizes these kind of goals that you have. So if you go on the internet, you can go on Google search, and you can search for images that symbolizes the things that you want, things that you need, and desires and goals that you have in your life. So, and you can also go to websites that have free stock images. You can take those images and collect them into your computer hard drive, and you can save them so that you can add them to the vision board. And the third step that you need to take into consideration when trying to create a vision board that actually works is you need to build a structure and start to assemble them. What do I mean by that? If you have to create a vision board, I see that most people actually go and dump a lot of their pictures that they've collected from all over the internet onto a board or a template. But actually that doesn't help, because there's a lot of clutter on a vision board. So what I want you to do is to create a structure on things that you want actually to be found on your vision board. It can be things related to health, things related to fitness, things related to relationships, and things related to whatever things that you want, materialistic things, income wise, lifestyle wise, travel wise, and so on and so forth. So these are the 3 things you need to consider when trying to create a vision board that actually works. So let me recap for you real quick. Number 1, be very clear on your goals. Be very clear on things that you want. What is it that you want? Number 2 is find pictures, images, words, and anything else that symbolizes your goals. Go on free sites like Pixabay, Pixels, Unsplash, and you'll be able to find a lot of pictures that actually symbolize the things that you want or the goals that you want to achieve. And the next thing that you need to take into consideration is you need to build a structure or a template and start assembling the pictures that you've gathered. And this is how you create a vision board that actually works. Because once now you have created a vision board around things that you want, now you can take a look at it, and you will intentionally set the right pictures onto your vision board frame that will actually mean something to you, and it will symbolize the things that you want to achieve, or goals that you're going after, or things that you want to manifest. So go ahead and do this and create a vision board that will help you manifest the things that you want in your life. By the way, check out the link in the description below this video. I have created a free I have created a mini course that will guide you through how to create a vision board. It covers 5 different areas of your life. It is going in depth, and it's really affordable. Get it right now while it's cheap and affordable, and I'll be able to help you create a vision board that you can be really proud of and actually achieve your dreams, desires, and visions.